Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit sticker on any iPhone. So simply at first open a conversation, okay, and click on to plus option, then showing a to more option to select sticker. So I'm select sticker, then showing a to sticker, or if you want to add more sticker, just click on to select photo, okay, and click on to add sticker. So look here, now successfully add sticker. So if you want to edit sticker, so select to long press, then showing it to add effect. So you can easily effect using press on done, and the same. So that's it, that's how you can do it.